Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to make video black and white in Capcut PC. So first of all, launch open Capcut and open the project in which you want to make the video black and white. You can see over here I have already opened it. Now you can see over here right now my video is colorful. So if you want to change it to black and white, what you have to do is look at top. You'll be able to find various options like media, audio, text, stickers, etc. Over here, what you have to do is find the option for filters and click on it. Now you'll be able to see various filters over here. Simply click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is search for black and white. Press enter. Now you'll be able to find various filters for black and white over here. Simply click on the filter that you like. After doing that, what you have to do is simply drag it to the track. Now you can simply increase the filter like this. Now you can see over here my video is no longer colorful, it is black and white. So that is how you make video black and white in Capcut PC. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.